Hi there, welcome to Game Foundry. Today's video I will show you how to create a sprint movement in Unreal Engine 5. This is a very simple tutorial, then here we go. Open your content browser and go to the third person folder, Blueprint, and open third person character Blueprint. Click with the left mouse button and the search for keyboard. Select the left shift, let's get our player movement and let's set the max walk speed. Let's copy and paste here. Put this cable in the target and change the values. Now let's connect the another cable. And yeah, the blueprint is done. Very easy. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give her a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish videos here every week and I hope that I was able to help you with this, okay? Bye bye.